Cradled in the heart of the Aegean Sea, Santorini emerges like a dream, a vivid tapestry of stark white buildings, sapphire domes, and a sea that mirrors the infinite expanse of a cloudless sky. The island's allure lies not just in its postcard-perfect appearance, but in the promise of a day filled with awe-inspiring moments, from dawn's first light to the final hues of the setting sun. As the sun peaks above the horizon, it bathes the island in a soft, golden glow. The iconic white houses of Santorini, still untouched by the day's heat, glisten in the early morning light. The narrow, winding paths of the island slowly awaken, ready to reveal their stories and secrets. As the day progresses, the sun casts long shadows that dance on the cobblestone streets. The island's heartbeat quickens, echoing the rhythm of life that unfolds in the bustling markets, the laughter-filled taverns, and the tranquil blue-domed churches. Santorini's charm extends beyond its sun-soaked vistas. The island's culinary landscape is a feast for the senses. Picture a mouth-watering melody of succulent seafood, sun-ripened tomatoes, and tangy feta, all washed down with the distinctive volcanic wines that the island is famed for. The island also beckons with the lure of adventure. From hiking along the rugged caldera's edge to diving into the crystal-clear waters of the Aegean, there's a thrill for every intrepid soul. As dusk descends, Santorini undergoes a magical transformation. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a warm glow that makes the white houses shimmer and the Aegean Sea sparkle. It's a spectacle that captures hearts and imprints lasting memories. As the day closes, Santorini remains alight, the twinkling lights of the cliffside dwellings mirroring the stars overhead. The island, bathed in the soft glow of the moon, whispers goodnight, leaving behind a promise of another day of enchantment. In Santorini, every day is a symphony of sights, sounds, and experiences that touch the soul. The island, with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, is more than just a destination. It's a mesmerizing world that invites you to lose yourself and discover the joy of truly living. In the words of the poet, Santorini is a place where the blue of the sea meets the sky, and the sunsets whisper tales of eternal beauty. It's an island that not only captivates your senses, but captures your heart, leaving you with a longing to return, time and time again. And as the mesmerizing vision of Santorini fades, remember, the world is full of beauty, waiting to be discovered. So until the next journey, keep the spirit of adventure alive and continue to seek the unforgettable. With each sunrise and sunset, may you find a new destination, a new story, and a new piece of this beautiful world to call your own.